Let's close this up. I think we've got to loop them up. Loop.
But we won't actually show any wiring up to the switchboard. That'll just be too much wiring. So the next step will be to put in some air terminals. We're going to use both the ceiling plan and the floor plan. We're going to overlay them on the drawing. So mine is on the ceiling plan.
Now if I'm ceiling plan, that's in the line. And this is
Say again?
when I've gone to the ground ceiling plans and ground floor, I'll put this in the line in there.
The lighting and the wiring up. Actually, before we even do that, we just want to make sure that we've got an electrical ceiling plan. I didn't actually go through this. So you just want to change that on your actual plan where you've done your wiring. Just go into the properties and change your discipline to electrical. Mechanical ceiling plan for our air terminal, we can just copy this one, copy the electrical one, and change it to a mechanical ceiling plan. So we just right click, duplicate view, and just click duplicate. Now you've got the copy of that electrical ceiling plan. We want to place that under our mechanical section. So make sure you're on that one. Same as before, you just change your discipline to mechanical. And also sub-discipline will just be HVAC. Apply that. And then it jumps to your mechanical HVAC section. Now we can change that view name. Let's change that to air terminals. So that's our mechanical HVAC one. For the electrical lighting one, so just make sure you've got the actual floor is on as well. So to ground underscore air terminal. And we want to do the same with the electrical lighting. So that's ground underscore lighting. brings up. Same way. Now I've got lighting and air terminal. So in your air terminals view, we don't want to see all these switches. You can leave them on if you want, but really we just want to see the lights, because we don't want our air terminals to sit where a light's supposed to sit. So if you click on a light switch, you can see that it's a lighting device. So now we want to go into our visibility graphics. Go VV or VG on your keyboard, and we want to turn off lighting devices.
Good work.
To your own model. So I go to systems, select air terminal. Air terminal deletes around things above your head. And because we started with the mechanical template, or I started with the mechanical template, I've already got some air terminals in the project from the template. So, where's the toilet in this building?
Yeah.
So, normally in the bathroom and toilet, you'd want some sort of exhaust, or you take a shower and the place steams up, you want to get that out of the building, and obviously smells, you want to get that out of the building as well. So we'll put in an extract grill into the toilet and shower bath area, which is that little room there. So go to your extract grill, and try to figure out what sort of connection this is. So the offset, we want 2700, unless your ceiling is at a different height. If your ceiling is at 2600, make sure you set that offset to match your ceiling height. So that's quite a big
It's huge.
air terminal. Normally we use 300 by 300.
Yeah.
We can find one. So if we click this one, we can see that there's no option for 3 by 300 extract rule. Let's find a 3 by 300. I hope that read it as 3 by 300. So you go insert, row family, find. That 3 by 300 or even smaller. So I went to mechanical, MEP, air side, because it's obviously with the air. Air terminal. Now it looks like that's going to be the only option we have. So with this one you can change it. So It depends how people build the family. This one we're lucky because we can change the size. With others, you actually have to build another family at the size you want. So with this one, you can go edit type. And then you want to make a duplicate, you want to copy this type of grill. You want a 3 by 300 face with, say, a 150 by 150 connection.
What does that mean actually, do you know?
So, what that means is, at the moment, we've got a 6 by 600 face. So, these up here, that's 6 by 600.
Oh, okay, just click on it.
Yeah.
This is
Then what you want to do is you want to duplicate it. But otherwise, you just do editing
That
the
one.
original.
Mhm.
Then you lose the lane. Just do that. And then you can name it specifically what it is that you're selecting.
So that's the 600 by 600. It's the face of the grill. Like it says there, face. And the 3 by 300 is the connection onto this diffuser. So the 200 by 200 will actually move 100, will move 50 liters a second of air without
No, no,
any.
no, just like that.
But you won't get this part properly
I
shown.
don't know.
So when you click on the family,
Yeah.
and we'll give it a name. Now you'll notice that it named it the same, it just puts the number 2 on the end of it.
I might have 150 by 150 somewhere.
I'll duplicate it. And then he's making it
I'll make it 3
a different size.
by 3,
Like what he's changing that.
and 2,
Like 150.
and just delete that 2 off the end. Then we've got a 3 by 300 by 200 by 200. Now all that's done is we copied it and changed the name. We haven't actually changed the physical properties of that grill.
Can you do it again, please?
In a second. So to change the actual dimensions, we'll just change to what we've got in our title. So the width and height is 200.
Zero, right?
And
How do you turn them off again?
click on the family and under
Oh.
this.
Oh, over here on the left. Yeah.
Turn those off.
So
We just
you,
wanna-
and so we've changed the dimension of that grill, all right? So does it mean it's going to be built, or most of the time you're going to upload it? You're going to upload it.
Make sure it's in line with your light or any other ceiling mounted device. Easiest way for me to do that is click on the grill and up here under your modify tab you'll find this align tool. So click on that. Find the center of the light, click, and the center of the grill, click. And that will bring them in line. Now it's up to you. Or you can have the grill offset from the wall by whatever dimension